Hello everyone, once again Yamini Gaba here. So welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to myself as well. So as I'm posting after a long time because I was on a vacation with my family and of course we everyone needs that. But here I am with another side hustles and videos that can be helpful for you guys. Okay, so this video is gonna be about five those side hustles that can actually give you money. Right? Trust me, there are so many people who started working on these side hustles and they are actually earning money. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and start these side hustles. And I'll show you the website. You have to go on the website and try each and everything properly, like one by one, and that's how they can definitely work for you. So let me share my screen with you guys. Okay, so here we are, right? So yeah, now I'll tell you like how basically we find a side hustle, right? So there are so many ways to find side hustle. If you go to Google, specifically Google is best way to get side hustles. I'll tell you five those things that is open in front of me. And yeah, so first one is Apple Home Advisor. So this is a work from home job. You can do it in the comfort of your home, right? So this is from Apple and they give you laptop, they give you everything, and you can start working from home as well, right? So we'll go just careers and then we'll go down, like what actually you will get, right? So you can see share your passion where business sells expertise, right? Of course we everyone know what Apple is, right? So yeah, these all things that you have to really read through, right? And whenever you're applying for a job, whenever you're doing, just keep your resume up to date, right? With the good, you know, uh, of course not fake, but yeah, you can add some good things in it. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, I'll just show you something. If we go on the research part, home advisor. Okay, so we'll go down. Right, so there are so many jobs. Right now we can see there are very less jobs. Two results we can see for the home. But yeah, you have to keep on looking. Um, home. And also you can select by the location as well. For example, if I am in Australia, okay, I'll go here and yeah, just give me a sec. Yeah, first of all, home office, right? And then we'll go Australia. So as you can see, there are no result for Australia. Maybe there is no job available because of course everyone just keep an eye. After I posted this on TikTok, everyone just keep looking for this one. And now you can see different countries where the home jobs are available, right? Different countries. And if you are from one of these countries, you can go ahead and apply for these jobs, right? Paris, right? And yeah, just go ahead and apply for this. So this is the first job, and second one we'll go for is studypool.com, right? So what this job is about, basically, if you have any experience in teaching, this is something for you, right? So this is a job basically that offers you a study, like you have to teach people in any of the countries it can be. So you can teach business, mathematics, programming, and yeah, that will definitely help you. So what you have to do is apply here. So 700 US dollars monthly. This is an approx amount. It can be somewhere near around. So click on apply now. You will apply here and then you will follow the steps, whatever they are telling. So once you keep following, you will get to know what exactly you have to do. Okay. And now the next one will go for acx.com. So ACX is also a site where you have to translate, where you have to, yeah, you will be given a book. So if you go to narrator and studio, so what you have to do is you will be given a book and you have to just record that in your voice. There was a boy in Melbourne who definitely did this job and he told me he earned like $550 within 3 hours. Yes, exactly. Right. So yeah, started and you will see they have recently upgraded this. So this is basically with Amazon. So this is related to Amazon. If you read book, you'll definitely get paid. Yes, and next one is Taloka.ai. I know AI is like little typical things, but I'll just show you something that what you can do here. So there are little tasks that they offer you. Okay, so I'll just show you. TI. Okay. Yeah, so get paid to do show task only. So if you click here, right, you will see all the things that you have to do. Okay, take a few minutes to sign up. It's totally free. Complete a quick training set to learn how to do particular task. Pick the task you want to do on your computer and your mobile app. Carefully read the instructions and complete the assignment. Withdraw your earning from the Toloka account, right? And tell your friend and get a referral bonus. So yes, this is very simple. Just go ahead and download this app and which is very easy. And you have to do small. This is kind of your side income, grocery income. You cannot expect like thousands of dollars, but yeah, side income, nothing bad. And the last one, and the very, very, very popular one is Fiverr.com. So if you have any skill, writing, speaking, if you can be someone's friend, then this one is for you. So, for example, if you don't have any skill, if you don't know anything, become friend. Okay, become a friend. So this is a job which is like, I mean, which is really good. Okay, so you don't have to anything. Look, I will become your friend, listener, and confident, right? I will become your writing coach and mentor and guide. So you can see here basically people are giving services, right? So because some people they are lonely, they don't have any friend, they don't have any family, so they're looking for friends out there. So this is kind of service that you can offer, and of course, people earn a lot from this because I've seen on so many sites that people earn money from here. So yes, so these are the things that you can do on social media. These are just five. There are thousands of things that you can do on social media and earn side income. So just don't step back. Don't stay back. Just come forward, search for anything, and just do whatever you can see. You will fail, you will grow, you will fail, you will just stand up again. Just fail, learn, fail, learn, fail, learn. Don't repeat the same mistake again. So just go ahead, start anything, and you will definitely get the result one day. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any ideas, if you want to learn anything, just comment below so that we can bring new content to you guys. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.